All being well, at the end of today, I'm going to be at the place where I can't do a whole lot more until I get the frame made, so I can get the dial mounted on the frame and somehow get the movement mounted inside the frame so it will turn. A lot of little finicky calculating things I got to do here. A lot of trial and error stuff like I was talking about yesterday. But that won't be until the end of today. Well, naturally, I don't like getting wood wet. However, as long as I'm not immersing the piece in the water, I think probably this is going to work out okay. I can use a hair dryer afterwards. Yeah, it seems to be soaking through alright. This was just a water-soluble kids glue stick that I'd used earlier. I can see it starting to wrinkle there. Well, offhand, I'd say that's probably good. Let's see what's going to happen here. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a little bit gooey. Well, it didn't even raise the grain very much. Just give it a couple of rubs with some sandpaper and yeah, it should be alright. Now I don't want to accidentally drop something here. Well, that doesn't count. Okay, I've switched to the drill bit here because it's a little bit shorter. Otherwise, I wouldn't use it because it's, as I mentioned yesterday, there's a real distinct danger of cutting yourself. I don't actually remember having done that, but I can envision it happening here. It's very, very sharp. Anyway, let's get on with this here. Now it doesn't really matter, where I drill the holes, as long as after I drill the first hole, I index it so that the rest will all be, symmetrical. Yeah, and I got 4 spokes here, and there's 12 pins. So maybe we'll just sort of kind of line it up with one of the spokes here. Not going to make any difference whatsoever. But maybe just for my own peace of mind, if you want to call it that. Okay, I think we're probably ready to go here. I better check and make sure I went deep enough. Okay, it did go all the way through. And you're probably really getting sick of seeing holes being drilled, right? Okay, so this hole here goes right there. I guess I don't need to make it really, really bold. I should be able to see that. Now I want to keep in mind that problem about when you get into a rhythm and can all of a sudden make a mistake. I don't want to accidentally cut my finger. Oh, well, there's only a dozen here. Surely I can keep it straight for 12. And 12. Now I had originally removed the coating off half of the nail. That coating that they put on to make it stick really good in the wood. But I don't need that for what I'm doing here, so